You're not born with a bad face, you're just using it wrong. Every guy has potential to look lethal, sharp, confident, and magnetic, but most waste it with lazy habits that destroy their features. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a face card so strong people will double take when you walk by. We're breaking it down into 7 steps from fat loss and grooming to facial control and posture. These are real, practical changes that reshape your entire look. Follow them for just 8 to 12 weeks, and you'll look like a completely new man, cleaner, sharper, and more confident. Let's begin. Your jawline is hiding under extra fat, not genetics. When you get lean, your cheekbones pop, your jaw sharpens, and your face transforms. Here's what to do. Start a calorie deficit. Eat clean and lift weights 3 to 5 times a week. Add some light cardio to burn fat faster. Avoid sugar and alcohol. They cause puffiness and bloat. You don't need abs to look great. Just go from 20% body fat to around 12%. That alone can boost your face card from average to lethal. Step 2. Fix your teeth and breath. Nothing ruins a good face faster than bad teeth or bad breath. People notice your smile before your haircut, your outfit, even your eyes. Brush twice a day. Use an electric toothbrush if possible. Use whitening strips 3 times a week and mouthwash daily. Floss every single night. White, clean teeth show discipline and instantly make your smile attractive. And confidence starts with being unafraid to smile. Step 3. Build a clean skin routine. Your skin is your first impression. You don't need 10 products, just 3. A gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen. Wash your face morning and night. Moisturize right after, especially if you shave. And never skip sunscreen. UV damage ages you faster than anything. Clean, hydrated skin gives that fresh, healthy look that screams self-care. Step 4. Master your grooming. Grooming is the cheat code for instant attraction. Your beard, eyebrows, and haircut define your entire face shape. Trim your beard or stubble every few days. Keep clean lines around your jaw and cheeks. Fix your eyebrows. Just remove stray hairs. Don't overdo it. And most importantly, get the right haircut for your face shape. Ask your barber to show your jawline, not hide it. Hair is literally the frame of your face. Get it right, and everything changes. Step 5. Fix your sleep and pillow habits. You can't look sharp if your face is swollen every morning. Stop sleeping face down. It causes puffiness and fluid buildup. Sleep on your back with your head slightly raised. Also, switch to a silk pillowcase. It prevents wrinkles and acne. Small change, huge difference. In a few weeks, your face will look tighter, fresher, and more defined. Step 6. Train your facial control. Looks maxing isn't just physical. It's about expression. Stand in front of a mirror and practice your smile, your relaxed, confident face, your jaw position. Learn which angles flatter you. Stop raising your eyebrows too much. It creates forehead lines. Chew tough gum or hard foods to build jaw strength. Own your face. Don't let your face own you. Step 7. Posture and confidence. You can have a chiseled face, but if you slouch, it's game over. Keep your shoulders back, chin slightly up, and look people in the eyes. This makes your jawline appear stronger and your presence more commanding. Confidence changes how your features are perceived. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to carry yourself like you already are. Get lean, fix your teeth, care for your skin, groom with precision, sleep smart, control your face, stand tall. Do this every day for the next 3 months, and you won't recognize yourself. Your face card isn't luck, it's built. That's it. You now know how to build a lethal face card, step by step. Follow these daily, stay consistent, and watch your entire look evolve. If you want more videos on looks maxing, confidence, and self-improvement, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and check the links in the description. Your transformation starts today.